This course helps satisfy the operator training requirements under OSHA's Powered Industrial Truck Standard 1910.178L. Specifically, it is designed to help learners inspect and operate a motorized pallet jack in a safe way, protecting themselves and their coworkers from the potential hazards associated with their use. After completing this course, you will be able to identify the basic controls common to most walkie and walkie-rider pallet jacks, explain what to look for when performing a pre-use inspection, describe how to safely operate a motorized pallet jack, including picking up, traveling with, and placing a load, and parking it, and recognize common hazards associated with motorized pallet jacks and ways to avoid them. Motorized pallet jacks have significantly changed the way we are able to move heavy loads in the workplace, combining the power of a motorized forklift with the convenience and maneuverability of a hand pallet jack. Pallet jacks are more maneuverable than forklifts, which make them great at moving loads in tight spaces where a forklift would never fit. And if the work requires frequent stops, they're more convenient than a forklift because they're designed to allow the operator to easily start and stop, and walk away from the unit without having to unbuckle a seatbelt. Although most motorized pallet jacks have the same basic controls and functions, where they are located on the unit will be different depending on the manufacturer, model, and type. Because no two models are exactly alike, each has its own set of operating procedures and safety rules. Your company will need to provide you with training on the specific pallet jack you'll be operating, including function of all its controls. It is also a good idea for you to read the operator's manual so you know exactly what to expect when using the motorized pallet jack. Walkies can be operated as you walk either ahead of the pallet jack or behind it. They're not designed to ride on. Walkie-Riders, also known as rider jacks, can be operated from the operator's platform or from the floor. Click on the buttons below to learn more about the operations and controls common to most of these types of motorized pallet jacks. You must click on each button to continue.